Hey, what's up guys? Are you seeing this marquee text in my output? In this video, we will learn about marquee element in HTML and we will learn some important attributes of marquee element. So friends, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel. And before starting the video, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. Without any delay, let's start. So friends, here you can see that I have a folder on my desktop named marquee text in HTML, and I have opened this folder in my Visual Studio Code, and here to the right side you will able to see the output because I have installed the live server, so you can see the output without any refresh. First of all, I will create a basic HTML structure here, and make sure to watch the video till the end because in the end I will tell you a very important thing about this marquee element. Next, we have to create a marquee element here, and inside this, first of all, I will type here like some text. So friends, here you can see that in my browser my text is moving from right to left. So marquee elements have some attributes, and we will also learn in this video that what is the purpose of that attributes. First of all, I will type here scroll amount is equal to, suppose if I will type here 100. So this is basically the speed of our this text. If I will turn this from 100 to 4, now you can see that its speed is slow. The more value you will put in this attribute, the more speed will be increased of your text. So suppose if I will type here 50, you can see that its speed is increased. Now I will change this to 4. Next, here I will press enter and enter after this marquee element to format my code a little bit. Here now I have to type bg color is equal to double quotation, and suppose I type here yellow. So now you can see that our text is moving but it has a yellow background color. So bg color, make sure to write the spelling as it is, and here you can type any color like red, green, blue, whichever color you want. So now you can see that our this text have a yellow background color and it is moving from right to left side. Next, I will type here another attribute like direction is equal to, suppose I type here left, or I will type here right. Now you can see that before our text was moving from right to left, now our text is moving from left to right. We can also change its direction to up. So now you can see that our text is moving from bottom to top, and we can also change the text to down. Now you can see that our text is moving from top to down. So this is the direction attributes which have 4 values and which will move the text in different directions. Next, type here v space is equal to double quotation, and here I will type like 10 pixel. You can also give this value in percentage, and v space stand for vertical space. Now you can see that our this marquee text have 10 pixel of vertical space from top. If I will type here 100%, so you can see a 100 pixel of space to the top. If I will type here a paragraph, suppose type here para, now you can see that this is a vertical space, 100 pixel from top and 100 pixel from bottom. Next, if I type here h space is equal to 50%, so h space, or I can type here 50 pixel. Now you can see that our marquee text has 50 pixel of horizontal space from right and left. Next, I will type here height attribute is equal to double quotation, and if I will type here 50 pixel, you can see that our this background has 50 pixel of height. Similarly, we can define the width is equal to, suppose 50%, and if I remove this h space attribute from here, now you can see that our this yellow background have total 50% of width. The next attribute is behavior. If I type here alternate, now you can see that our text will move from up to bottom or bottom to top. I will change this its direction to right and change the speed to 40. Now you can see that the text will not scroll, it is moving in this way. So by default, the behavior of our marquee element is scroll. Now you can see that it is scrolling, but we can also change this to alternate. Next, we have another attribute which is loop. Suppose if I will type here 4 and change the speed to 10, or I can change it to 20. Now you can see that 1, and I think I need to change this to alternate. So see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now our text will be stopped. So the loop means that how many time our this animation will be work. And here we have another property of behavior attribute which have one another value, which is slide. So the difference between scroll and slide is, see here this is 3 time, and after 4 time you can see that our text is exist at this position. But if I will type here scroll, now you can see that this is first time, second time, third time, and after 4 time our text will be disappeared. So friends, these were the some attribute of marquee element, and the important thing is you have to keep in mind that this feature is no longer recommended. So some browsers might still support it, but it may have already been removed from the relevant web standards, maybe in the process of being dropped, or may only be kept for compatibility purposes. I suggest you to avoid using it, and if you use it before, make sure to update your existing code if possible, and be aware that this feature may be ceased to work at any time. I hope you understand that if you are using this for learning purposes or make some animation to impress your friends, maybe it will be a good for you, but in professional use I recommend you to avoid this. So friends, tell us in the comment that what was your experience while watching your video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the like button if video was helpful, and share this video with your those friends who want to learn web designing. And finally, thanks for watching.